Meaning of illiberal.
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 Illiberal. The term illiberal refers to ideologies, policies, or actions that go against liberal principles such as democracy, individual freedom, and human rights. Illiberalism often advocates for strong central authority, suppression of opposing views, and limitation of civil liberties. The consequences of illiberalism can be detrimental to society, which includes the erosion of democratic institutions, decrease in individual freedom, and infringement upon human rights. Therefore, it is important to remain vigilant and uphold liberal values to prevent the rise of illiberalism.